Hello, dear traders. Welcome back here one more time with Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. This week I don't posted too much videos because I was busy creating the course of MetaTrade 4. That is gonna be a really long video, but I'm gonna explain you everything about MetaTrade 4. I also am preparing a video about the strategy for index forex in lower time frame. Like this, you can also learn a new strategy. But yes, today I want to talking about one comment of one video that was very important. Like this, maybe you can help anybody to learning better how to use the Trading Central analysis from the platform of Etoro or other broker who give you the Trading Central's platform analysis. So it's in Italian. I will translate now for you. It's for the video of analysis of the week of Trading Central from 23 or 27. Remember, this is just one platform who give you analysis. After you need to use your own strategies for enter in the market. I give you thousand of strategies, oh, thousand no still, but dozen of strategies that you can take it, follow, and try to predict the movement of the market. Normally, this platform you need to have a big account in Etoro for they give you the access to this platform. That's why I make this video every Sunday for everyone who don't have this amount of money invested can also have this analysis for free every Sunday here, share with everyone. So let's translate the comment. See, I never lose so much money like I lose looking this video. From the graphic of oil that you show here, is writing when arrive in the down zone, so we're gonna go more down. And how I understand it, have a 90% of positivity. I never say that, but okay. Monday, I open one sell position, even don't say where and how, nothing. And the price continue going up and up without stop. I open with one lot. So if you use MetaTrade 1 or MetaTrade 4, you will understand it what's mean that. So you can understand how much I am losing till now. I always let the position going. So even if he see that the price going up, he continue let the position open. I think he maybe gonna going down in some time. Okay, that's his way to trade. It's not what I recommend, but it's his way to trade. And this is the results. Never anymore in big letters. I gonna follow the expert. I never say I'm an expert, and never I will say I'm an expert. I am just study this, and that's all. I am a student like anybody else here. The graphic are not commanded by the indicators. This everybody know, I think, but from the news. Okay, news is the only variable you cannot predict because always can change your analysis, but the indicators are created from the graphic. So what they just do it is make a visual representation or what is happening in the price. It's a way that we can use for try to predict where can go the price, the movement next. That's all of this, and it's nothing. If you have a strategy that is 90% effective, it means that have very big stop loss and very small take profit. So you can make many operations right when the trend go with you. When the trend change, you can end up with big losses. Only this kind of strategies can have a 90% positivity in the market. So be careful with this kind of strategies. Like I tell you, this is just a video about analysis, not a strategy. Let's now look in the photo. Sorry, the quality is not so good, but I can explain you now better in the graphic. This was because I don't have a copy of this analysis what was happening. The day 23, okay, I do the video Sunday, day 22, and I say that if we are below 62.65, we are searching for a possible enter for sell. And that target will be 61.50 and the second target 60.70. Okay, that's what I normally say. I already was making many videos explain. You just need to look in a video about Trading Central Lion Bull Academy. You will find a video to explain how to use the Trading Central or writing how to use Trading Central Lion Bull Academy. Will come in this video and explain you that if the price go above the 62.65, the blue line, it means that we need to close that operation because the tendency is changing. Let's now look in the graphic. This is a representation of what say Trading Central. This is the day 23 when open the market. First of all, what we do it? We're looking that we are below the 62.65, that is for looking for a sell opportunity. The market open and start going up. Don't give you no one retracement, no one really position in 30-minute time frame, that's what we are looking in the graphic. Don't give you no one enter, no one operation say you that here gonna be a downtrend. He start just going direct to the 62.65. So first and all, there you will don't open no one position. You are looking for possible enter. No one was there. Let's say you look in the moving average of 20 period. Let's say you have a very simple strategy that if you touch the 20 period and start again going down, you enter. So let's see. Let's make an example. You enter here. So first up, what you do it is put your target and your stop loss. So the stop loss, you always know that if it is go above the 62.65, you need to close that operation. So you can put maybe in 63. Let's say in 63 you put a stop loss. If the price go against you, you will close that operation in some losses. And automatically start looking because the graphic show you also the possible buy opportunities is the trend reverse. You have the 63.25 and the 64. So we can see here the price start going up, and then because the price start going up, we start looking for buy opportunities. All this happen in the night. First of all, probably if you are like me in Spain or in England, you are sleeping, so I don't think you will trade in this kind of time. When you wake up in the morning, let's say if you wake up very early, you will wake up around, I don't know, 5 o'clock in the morning, and the price is already 63, so you will don't open a sell because you already are above that price. Second one, we already start looking for a possible buy opportunity. The moving average of 50 show us an uptrend. The 20 period moving average is already in up, so you are searching now for a buy opportunities. We can see that already touched the first target in a buy opportunity, 63.25. So we can already thinking if we want it, we can think it here to maybe make a buy position. We can buy, put a stop loss, and then we have already one risk reward fixed. It means if we lose $1 in this movement, we can win here 1.5. So you have also a risk reward that is acceptable. I like normally 1, 2, but 1.5 it is also okay. So this is how you look in the the trading central analysis, how you will use it. I hope you understand it. You have here both scenarios, the sell and the buy. From the next videos on, I'm gonna show both of them like this. Maybe I don't make nobody more in mistaken that just try to open a position and don't know where to put stop loss. I will say now all these possible scenarios, the more probable and the other, like you have ready for any possibility that can happen in the market. I will say you the stop loss, where is the best places to put it. Like this, you gonna be more quiet. Now, continue with this comment that give for us this Italian guy. He don't know which time he opened. Maybe he opened exactly 23. I don't know which time, but let's say he opened exactly there. He was need to close, but if he keep it the position with one lot, sorry, Etoro don't make you make so much units, but one lot normally is about I think 100,000 units. So if we put units, the maximum units give to us, even if I try to put 100, is 3,000 units. That will be in amount of money $20,000. In leverage extend, this become $200,000 position power. It's very risky position. First and all, it means if this guy keep open that position, he need to have at least an account of $1 million for take care of this position. Understand the stop loss in this case can be maximum in let's put in stop loss like we are now was in 660. Let's put 62 the enter, and then will be the stop loss in a sell, sorry. The stop loss will be maximum in 65, so the maximum he was able to hold it without lose it. The $20,000 was be in 65, so he will lose this $20,000 just arriving in 65. That was the maximum he can handle that position, because will be the 50%. But because he probably used MetaTrader 4, that will be even further, because in MetaTrader 4 you don't have sorry for the sound, it's a train and they are repairing here stuff and it's really chaotic. Nice sound. Yeah, that's what happens when you're recording something, but I don't gonna cut it, just pass it by. Okay, so what I was saying, if you use MetaTrader 4, the risk will be even more big one, so I didn't recommend to open so big position. First mistake, this guy don't put a stop loss. Second mistake, this guy don't close the position, just keep it on and on, because thinking that the market gonna change, when already you can see directly in the graphic, you can see that the trend is changing. You have to close that position. So he don't have risk, his risk reward doesn't exist, his strategy doesn't exist, and his really doesn't exist, nothing there. Personally, I think this guy don't know how to trade, and like that I recommend to first start in demo, steady with the market, steady with the indicators, steady good on the graphic. If you don't like indicator only news, so trading by news, exists thousands of strategies that is only based on news, so do it what is better for you. But this is just one analysis for help you understand the possible interesting points of profit and target and stop loss. That's all what it is. You need to have your own strategy for make your enters. You cannot just enter in the market like that. Doesn't exist like this. You need to have at least some kind of strategy, even support resistance, the more simple, even moving average, cross moving average, whatever strategy you want to use it, but you need to use something. So I don't think this guy have so big account for handling that position, and you can see the market continuing up. So I'm really don't want to see what is happening to him. That's what's happened when you try to go in a market when you are not ready, just because you look in one video of analysis without trying to really understand what is happening with the price. So I hope this helped you to understand how to use now the platform of Trading Central, how to put in your graphic the important the pivot point and the important points of target and stop loss. And from now on the videos I will show both possibilities plus where to put the stop loss if you are in one of these positions. So thank you one more time for looking the video, and see you next time. Ciao guys.